Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is class 10th subject English. Today we will learn about another lesson from a prose portion that is from the diary of a young girl. This lesson has been written by Annie Frank. In this lesson she provides a brief sketch of her life and her emotional association with her grandmother. Because most of the time she spent with her grandmother and was emotionally attached with her. Anne is also in search of a real friend to whom she can open her heart, to whom she can share her feelings, to whom she can openly talk, to whom she can share her life problems. She also presents a picture of a classroom situation in which Mr. Keesing, the maths teacher, was annoyed with her. Mr. Keesing was teaching maths to them. Annie Frank writes her life sketch as, in this lesson she describes that I was born in Frankfurt, Germany on 12th June 1929. I stayed with my grandmother, spent most of the time with her, and I was sent to Montessori Nursery School. Annie pens down all his feelings, all his life events in her diary. She begins the diary as, the entire class in which I was reading was feeling very nervous on a day, because on that day it was to be decided which student will move up to the next class, which student will be promoted to the next class, and who will be kept back. So this was the reason of the nervousness. I was not worried about myself and my girlfriends, because I was very much enthusiastic that I will be promoted to the next class. I was only worried about the math subject in which I had not done enough good. The math subject was being taught by Mr. Keesing, who was an old man and was very much annoyed with me because I talked so much in the class. And this is obvious. When a teacher prepares a lesson with dedication and gives the lesson in the classroom, if a student talks, it will make teacher annoyed with her. As a mark of punishment, when I talked very much, he assigned me to write various essays. After several warnings, first he assigned me to write an essay on a topic a chatterbox. Chatterbox is a noun word. It is used about a person who talks very much. बहुत बातूनी इंसान जो ज़्यादा बातें करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं chatterbox. So this title was very much fit on my nature. So Mr. Keesing also assigned me to write the same essay, chatterbox. I wrote the essay. Mr. Keesing read it and he was about to laugh. Then I talked very much before. I talked very much than before. Next time, Mr. Kissing assigned me to write an essay, an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means about a person who has a very bad behavior and it is very difficult to correct her behavior. So when Mr. Kissing thought that it is very difficult to correct her behavior, she assigned me to write this essay, an incorrigible chatterbox. Then when I talked very much enough in the class to the extreme, she assigned me to write an essay, quack, quack, quack. Quack is a sound which a duck does. Just like a duck quacks, same was the case with me. All three essays were suiting on my nature because I had a talkative nature. I finished all the essays very well. The last one, that's quack, 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 I wrote it in poetic form. Mr. Kissing read the essay and I was allowed to talk in the class because I justified my talkative nature in this essay. Mr. Kissing allowed me to talk in the class and I was not assigned any extra homework. The lesson is all about this. Any Frank talks about our life events. Hope dear students you have understood this lesson. Assalamu alaikum.